So today we're going to be unboxing the M90 Supercharger adapter plate for the J35A4 that we're going to be supercharging the Honda Pilot. So we're going to just get straight into it. Here we go. Okay, well, I ordered this last Friday. It is now Tuesday and it's here. So the shipping was awesome. Awesome time on shipping for sure. Get everything out of here and see what all it came with. It was neatly packaged and definitely protected. Awesome. Came with some prankparts.com stickers. Super nice. I love green, so I automatically like that. And it has a J series on the front, so that's even better. And this right here must just be the receipt. Oh, sweet. Came with even more stickers. Awesome. Gonna put those somewhere for sure. And yep, it's the order invoice, which, just so everyone knows how much it was $549.99. There was no shipping and handling or anything like that, so that was pretty cool. But yeah. So, this is all that is in here. Now, it's all neatly packaged, saran wrapped, so that way it all stays together, which is absolutely great. Okay, there's the bigger plate there. The smaller one that goes on first. Oh, it does come with a lot of bolts. Nice. Okay, I wasn't quite sure how this was going to work out, but that's going to work out nicely. Now, I still need the ones that go from the Supercharger to this, but that's pretty easy. I'll just go to Ace Hardware or Home Depot or pretty much anywhere that sells a variety assortment of bolts. Okay, we've got the adapter plates here, super important. Really nice construction, quality, and design. Nice, really good. And little block off for the map sensor. This is super important. I'll explain that. This block off is for the J35 intake manifold itself. So this will bolt to where your factory throttle body is at. You'll take that throttle body, move it to the Supercharger. But as you can see, it has a spot right here for a map sensor to screw in. So that way you still have a map sensor that is functioning properly. That's what this block off is for as well. This piece will go down first. You'll bolt this to the top of the J35 intake manifold. Nice design. Now we plan on designing something very similar to this, but Prank Parts did a really good job. If you guys want something right out of the box ready to go, definitely hit them up. This is really good quality. And then this one, of course, will bolt to the top like this. And then the Supercharger will bolt to that. So, really nice. I like the design of all of this. They did a really, really good job. So yeah, I highly recommend Prank Parts for a Supercharger adapter plate. Beautiful construction, and everything will work straight over with this M90 Supercharger. Alright, we're just going to verify that the Supercharger bolts up to all of the spots it's supposed to. Yep, all the bolt holes line up for the mounting locations. Now, I did order a Supercharger intake manifold gasket. It's the gasket that goes between this and this piece here. I wanted to show you the Supercharger intake gasket. You will need one of these as well. I ordered this one from O'Reilly's. Right here is the part number. It's a Felpro. MAAS 95744. This was for a 2002 3800 series. Definitely a nice design, and everything lines up exactly how it should for the M90 from the 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix GTP, because that's what this Supercharger comes off of. So Definitely recommend their kit. Their information will be in the description. And in the next video, I will be installing this adapter plate kit into the Honda Pilot with the J35A4. This method will work the same or similar to the Honda Odyssey with the J35A4 and other J series engines, because this adapter plate does fit J32 and J37, I believe, intake manifold. But yeah, just wanted to give you a walkthrough and show you that it comes with pretty much everything you need other than the M90 Supercharger itself, a map sensor, and the bolts to actually bolt this Supercharger to the adapter plate. Everything else is there. High quality kit, worth all $550 that I paid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Stay tuned for the next video where we put this in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.